How to embroider your crochet. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to embroider a face onto your piece of crochet. Start by threading a sewing needle with your contrast yarn. Your pattern will tell you where your embroidery should be placed by counting the rounds and stitches, and indicates the type of sewing stitches you should use. Once you've identified the starting point, insert your needle under and out of the stitch. Carefully pulling the yarn so the tail sits on the wrong side of the crochet. Sew in the same place again to secure the thread. You may have to repeat the same stitch 2 or 3 times to give the features a more defined outline. Your pattern will let you know the height and width that your embroidery should cover. Top tip: be careful not to pull the thread too tightly, and ensure you sew the gaps between your stitches to keep things looking neat. To embroider the next area of your piece, complete your last stitch by bringing the needle up through the starting point of the next area. Repeat this technique for each area that uses the same colour. To finish sewing, carefully push the needle through and out of the back of your crochet piece. Cut your yarn close to your crochet project, then gently squeeze and move the fabric so the yarn tail sits inside. You can now embroider your crochet.